Ear Health Essentials. Prevent hearing loss before it starts. Welcome back to Health and Fitness University. Today we're tuning into a part of your body that often gets overlooked, your ears. Your ears do more than hear. They help you stay balanced, connected, and safe. But most of us don't think about protecting them until something goes wrong. In this video, I'll walk you through everyday habits, foods, and tips to protect your hearing and prevent hearing loss before it starts. So turn up the volume just a little and let's dive in. Section 1. Why hearing health matters. Nearly 1 in 5 adults suffers from some degree of hearing loss, and it's not just an older person's problem. Hearing loss has been linked to memory decline, social isolation, and even depression. And here's the thing, once your hearing is damaged, you can't get it back, but the right habits can help you preserve it for life. Section 2. Daily habits to protect your ears. Let's look at simple habits that can protect your ears every single day. 1. Keep the volume low. When using headphones, follow the 60-60 rule. No more than 60% volume for no more than 60 minutes at a time. If someone next to you can hear your music, it's too loud. 2. Use noise-canceling headphones. These help block out background noise so you don't have to crank up the volume. 3. Protect your ears in loud places. Wear earplugs at concerts, clubs, or when using loud tools. It only takes one event to cause lasting damage. 4. Don't use cotton swabs. They can push wax deeper and even damage your eardrum. Let your ears clean themselves naturally or use drops if needed. 5. Dry your ears gently after showers or swimming. Trapped moisture can lead to infections like swimmer's ear. Section 3. Nutrition and lifestyle tips for healthy ears. Believe it or not, your diet and lifestyle can impact your hearing too. Eat magnesium-rich foods. Magnesium helps protect against noise-induced hearing loss. Find it in bananas, spinach, and avocado. Omega-3 fatty acids. Fish like salmon and sardines improve blood flow to your inner ear. Vitamin C and E antioxidants reduce free radicals that can damage hearing cells. Hydrate regularly. Dehydration can lead to ear ringing and imbalances. Your inner ear needs rest too. Poor sleep increases sensitivity to sound and slows healing. Don't wait until things go quiet. Get your hearing checked if you notice any of these signs. Frequently asking people to repeat. Turning up the TV louder than others prefer. Ringing in the ears. Tinnitus. Trouble hearing in noisy settings. Adults over 40 should get a hearing screening every 3 to 5 years. If you work in a loud environment, check in more often. Early detection can lead to better treatment, including hearing aids that help maintain your connection with the world. Our hearing connects us to the people we love, the music we enjoy, and the world around us. Let's protect it with intention. Hearing loss is preventable, but only if you start protecting your ears today. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with your favorite ear care tip, and subscribe to Health and Fitness University for more expert health advice. Subscribe now. Listen closely.